Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover conditional sentences type 0. I have already covered the basic meaning of conditional sentences, so you should go watch that out first and then come to this video. So there is a separate playlist of sentences in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available in the description box below. Now without any further ado or delay, let's get started. Conditional sentences type 0. A question must arise in your mind, that is why this sentence is called type 0, right? So it is termed as 0 because though it has the structure of a conditional sentence, but it is not really a conditional sentence in nature, because both of the clauses, the conditional clause and the main clause, both express general truths. Have a look at this example here. If you heat ice, it melts. It is a scientific fact. If we behave decently, others respect us. So both of the sentences convey or give a general truth or scientific fact. So the 0 conditional is used to make statements about the real world. Generally, these are the statements which are true all the time. These are the statements that are true all the time and often refers to general truths and scientific facts. So in these sentences, that is in type 0 conditional sentences, the time is now or always. The time is now or always and the situation is real. Okay, the situation is factful, the situation is possible. It talks about possible events, it talks about scientific experimented fact, and it is used for general truths which are experienced by us today, tomorrow and forever. Conditional sentences type 0 sentence structure. Let us talk about the grammatical construction of a type 0 conditional sentence. I have explained you in the previous video, that is when I explained you about conditional sentences, that a conditional sentence has two parts. The first is the conditional clause. Most of the time it is referred to as if clause, though other conjunctions might be used. So to clear that thing, you can go and check that video first before coming on to this one. And you have a main clause. Okay, and in type 0 the particular tense structure is used, right? So in if clause, that is in conditional clause, we use simple present tense, and in the main clause also simple present tense is used because we talk about real events or situations that are really possible, something that happens. Have a look at this example here. If a few drops of lemon juice are added to milk, the milk turns sour. So in this particular example, both the sentences contain what? Contain simple present tense expressing scientific fact. Replacing if with when in conditionals type 0. What happens when you replace if with when? Will the meaning change? What all will happen? Let's understand it. So it only happens in type 0, conditional type 0, that if you change if to when, in the conditional clause, the meaning does not change, it remains intact. Okay, there is no change in the meaning. But in case of other clauses like type 1, 2, 3 or mixed type, the meaning will change if you will interchange if and when, but only and only in type 0 there is no change in meaning when you will change if to when. Have a look at the example. If you click the button, the panel lights up. The meaning does not change when you will put when. The panel lights up when you click the button. The meaning is absolutely the same. The next example is, if you overblow a balloon, it bursts. A balloon bursts when you overblow it. So there is no change in the meaning. The meaning remains same, but this happens only in type 0. That when you change if to when, there is no change in the meaning. The third example is, as soon as I present her with a gift, her anger melts away. So here, as soon as can also be used. If you have seen the video on conditional sentences, so you are on a right track. So see that first. I'll highly recommend that. So as soon as you, it can be replaced with if, and there are more conjunctions that can be used. So this conditional clause, when you put when, the meaning will remain the same. When using when, the sentence will be like, her anger melts away when I present her with a gift. So there is no change in the meaning if you will change if to when. This section brings us an end to today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. Keep learning and keep growing.